वेलकम टू रोहिला स्टेनो क्लासेस। आपका डिक्टेशन शुरू होगा 3 सेकंड बाद। स्टार्ट। द कंट्रोल शुड नॉट बी slackened for a minute unless it is done. I am sure the lines on which these persons want the radio to develop will not be possible. Why I say that there should be perpetual vigilance on the part of Parliament is for this reason. If there is corporation, my honourable friend the Minister of Information and Broadcasting will be the most happy person. He will have all the privileges which he is having now, and he will not have the necessity of coming before us to give answers to our questions and to submit to us reports. He will have all the privileges and very little responsibility for that. I say that the control which the Parliament exercises over the All India Radio at the time of the budget is sufficient to make these people wake up. It is sufficient to make these people active who are slack. It is sufficient for those people who practice nepotism to be fair, and if there is a corporation, the whole thing will go away and we shall not have any control over the All India Radio. Now we have control over appointments through the Public Service Commission, and if we have a corporation, I do not think you will have that control. We have control over the All India Radio on account of the Public Accounts Committee and the Estimates Committee. My friends have said that the Estimates Committee has suggested 92 improvements to be made in the All India Radio. I think that shows how effectively and how comprehensively the work has been done. When work of that kind is being done by the Estimates Committee and the Public Accounts Committee, and when the whole thing comes before the House, I do not see why we should have a corporation of this kind. Para. We in India in this transitional era are suffering from self-contradictory impulses. On the one hand, I see on the floor of this house something being said that we should not take this country or that country as our model, and on the other hand, a gentleman wants us to follow the BBC model or some other model. That is a self-contradictory impulse. Somewhere in the 1954 issue of this quarterly, I find an article not eulogizing the corporation but an article on the subject of the ills of the British Broadcasting Corporation. The gentleman has gone into the question and given us the reason for that and also the remedies for that. I would therefore say that we do not need a corporation. Stop. दोस्तों, यदि डिक्टेशन अच्छा लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन अवश्य दबा दें ताकि लेटेस्ट वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आप तक तुरंत पहुंच सके।